These are a set of Bingdle brand windshield wiper blades. As you can see, they come in a 2-pack right here. There's 2 here. This is a separate package that I purchased, and the reason why is that my vehicle takes 2 different types, or 2 different sizes, I should say, of wiper blades. My car takes a 20 and a 24-inch blade, so I got 2 sets. But the nice part about that is they're not very expensive, and you'll have an extra set for when the first set goes bad. And you can keep those actually in the trunk of your car, because nowadays wipers just snap right onto the car, really no tools required. Now I've just taken one out of the package here, and you can see that you know, it's only bent in the package so it'll fit that way. But basically this is it. It's your single edge wiper blade. Looks like it should do the trick, so let me go and get these on the car and we'll test them out. Also, don't forget to remove this little plastic covering on the actual blade itself, otherwise it will never work properly. Okay, I've just put the right one on, the driver's side on. The left side is the original one that was on the car, and you can see that they operate nice and smoothly and don't chatter. We'll spray some water on there. Let's see how it does. That's pretty crystal clear to me. So they seem to do the trick. Not bad at all for some inexpensive wipers. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find them available for sale on Amazon. Make sure, of course, that you check to see what size wipers your vehicle requires so you get the right ones. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.